Jet here to demonstrate how to use breakout rooms during a go-to session. Organizers and co-organizers can split attendees into smaller groups for separate discussions. This is a great way to keep attendees engaged, manage conversations, and work in smaller groups. I'll show you how to create breakout rooms, assign people to rooms, use chat options, use the assistance notifications, and move a person from one room to another. Breakout rooms are available for meeting, webinar, and training sessions in the GoTo app. Before you can use breakout rooms, you must enable it prior to the session. Please view our online resources for more help. Please note that this feature may not be available depending on your subscription plan. I've already started a session as the user Lance Bingham, and others are also in attendance. Take note of the different buttons and icons you see at the top and bottom of the screen. You may see different options here depending on your GoTo plan and rule. When you are ready to use breakout rooms, click the people icon. Then click the Create Breakout Rooms button. Now you can decide how many rooms you want to create and if you want to automatically or manually assign people to the rooms. You can have up to 50 rooms. These details can be changed as long as you have not started the breakout room sessions. Once the breakout begins, you'll only be able to manually move attendees, which I'll demonstrate soon. As an example, I'm going to create 2 rooms and automatically assign people to them. Click Preview Rooms when you are ready to proceed. Now you can see the proposed plan for the breakout rooms. The number next to each room indicates how many participants are currently in that room. You may be wondering why 3 rooms are shown when I selected 2. The main room does not count as one of your breakout rooms. It's where Lance and other organizers are placed. If I wanted to, I could drag the organizer or co-organizer to a different room, but I'll wait to do that for now. If you selected the option for GoTo to automatically assign people to rooms, but do not like the results, you can click the Shuffle People button. You also have the option to manually drag and drop a person from one room to another. Click the Manage Rooms button to change the number of rooms or assignment setting. Organizers, co-organizers, and regular attendees can be moved to different rooms before or after breakout sessions start. Once you're happy with the proposed room assignments, click Start Breakout. A countdown timer will then be shown before the breakouts begin. Once the breakouts start, the organizer or co-organizer can join any room by clicking and dragging their name to it, or by clicking the corresponding Join button. I'll wait to do that for now. If I wanted to move an attendee to another breakout room, I can click and drag them to the new room. Here is a screen of the attendee I just moved to another session. They are notified of the breakout room change. At this point, they could choose if they want to change the status of their camera or microphone. While here, let's look at the chat option. During a breakout session, attendees can message those that are in the same breakout room. However, if they need to contact the organizer or co-organizer, they can click the Assistance button at the bottom of the screen. We are now seeing the organizer screen again. Here's where they can see the assistance notification. Now the organizer can easily see who needs help. Unlike attendees, organizers and co-organizers can message all attendees by clicking the Message All Rooms button. Type your message and click Send. You might be wondering what happens if someone joins the meeting after the breakout sessions start. In this case, they will appear in the main room section. Like before, you can then click and drag them to the desired room. They will then receive a message that they have been moved to a breakout room. When you're ready to end the breakout sessions, click End Breakout. After doing so, a countdown will display to all attendees. You can repeat the process of starting and stopping breakout rooms as often as needed in a session. That's all there is to using breakout rooms in a GoTo session.